Today, we'll guide you through the process of deleting a TikTok video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. Firstly, open TikTok and navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, find the video or post you wish to delete. For example, let's choose this one here. After selecting the video, go to the bottom right corner of the TikTok post and click on the three dots. This will open up a menu called Send To. Scroll to the bottom of the menu until you see the option for delete. Remember, once you delete the video, you won't be able to restore it. If you want to keep a copy, you can save the video to your device before deleting it. Click on Delete to confirm your decision. You'll then need to confirm once more by pressing Delete again. Once confirmed, the video will be deleted and you'll see a message saying Delete at the top. The video will be removed from your profile. It's that simple. If you found this guide useful and would like to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching.